Hey, it's Adam here, the LED guy. And if you have recessed lights in your house, maybe they're the old school, they're incandescent bulb, or maybe even they're halogen, but you want to upgrade them, you want to bring them into the 21st century, you want to bring them into the 20s, okay? Update how that looks. This is going to be the definitive product for what you want. I have installed so many different brands in my house, aftermarket, retrofit, new ones, and I gotta tell you, I have been absolutely thrilled with Govee. There's a few aspects about why I chose this to redo my gaming room. I already have LED retrofit lights in there, and you can see in this video they are very cool lights, but there's a couple user error problems I don't really care for, and they don't have the same syncing ability nor the brightness that these Govees do. This is a 4-pack. You can pick this up. It works with your smart home. Doesn't matter if you have Google or Amazon. It'll work with it. They are 1,100 lumens each. So if you have a large area to light, 1,100 lumens, like I could throw this in my living room, vaulted ceilings, 18 feet, high square footage, and with the 4 of them that I have in here, they're gonna light. Now this WW right here, this is white, okay? And this means that it won't do just normal white. You can do soft white, you can do warm white, you can do cool light. So anywhere between 2,700 and 6,500 K is where you can run. Honestly, that's gonna make the biggest range of just white, but then it's RGB also. So RGB means it's going to do any combination of red, green, and blue. So you've got about 16 million colors that you can pick from. They mount super easy. There's just these little spring clips, and then you've got 2 wires. I'm going to show you how to do this in the background right now. So all you have to do is pull out your old light. There's a little control box. Inside that control box, you've got 2 wires. I like to strip it back a little bit more. And then you just connect it with your black hot wire and then with your white neutral wire. Put the wire caps on, put them back in the box, tuck that in the ceiling. You can pull the spring clips out, pop it right back in the ceiling, and then you're good to go. Always turn the power off when you're doing that. That's why I have a headlight on. I've turned the power off. And you can just repeat this for however many lights. So I have 4, so I'm going to do this 4 times. And then once you get it all installed, then you can actually connect it to the app. Now the app is where the power sits, okay? The light itself is great. It has the white capability, it has the RGB capability, but you can do all types of things inside the app. You can play with color patterns. You can play with syncing it with other devices on your system. There's a thing called Scene View, Dream View, Immersion, where you can pick photos that have different colors in it, and you can sync the lights in a certain area to those photos, and that is just fantastic. And that's what I want to do. I want to be able to have my entire gaming room, my entire media room syncing to a single color. So that's why I got this. Okay, so I'm going to show you this is off, and then right when you turn the power on, they come on soft white. Okay, you can control the brightness. I'm going to go through a bunch of different scenes here so you can see different color combinations, different reactions for how the lights can change. I'm only doing split-second shots here, so it's hard to kind of see it, but in this example, you can see the lights changing colors all over the place. And I got to tell you, I could not be happier with how these lights turned out. If you want a game changer, pick up a set. You won't regret it.